What's good? What's good? So, boom, we're gonna be doing a reaction to the famous Jalen Brown, the Enhancements Fiber 4, okay, at the NBA. And this video is by Chaz NBA. So let's get into it.
We've all seen the videos of Jalen Brown's hair rubbing off on OG Anunoby and Ron Holland, so he went live
Oh,
on
let me
Twitch to get a
hold on, hold on, hold on,
haircut,
hold on,
and
hold
he
on.
even called LeBron to
There we
get some
go.
advice on balding.
I'm about to call LeBron. Motherfucker J. Hold on, D.
Real. Hold on. It's real. Chat. It's getting real.
I'm about to call LeBron.
But yeah, I'm not
Motherfucker J.
gonna lie, right?
He ain't
His
gonna answer.
haircut is not his hair
We'll
is
leave a
not
voicemail,
that bad. Like on video, it look crazy though.
I'm calling
I
Brian.
ain't gonna lie. Like, all right, so boom, let me break it down. As a licensed barber who cuts hair every single day and cuts hair
He don't answer. I'm gonna
full
leave a
time
voicemail. It's all good.
as a licensed barber, let me break it down. Hold on, let me pause it real quick.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
So let me break it down to y'all, right? The top is really not that bad. The best thing that he have going for him is that he have a full hairline. So now he don't got nothing like a LeBron James type of hair, and he doesn't have something like a Tory Lanez type of hair, right? Tory Lanez, he do got a hairline, but the sunroof is showing, right? The sunroof is open, all right? What I would advise, and this is not me being just hold on. All right, so boom, we back at it. So I had a little quick intermission real quick. But boom, his hair is not that bad, like I was saying. Honestly, all he gotta do, and this is not me being biased or anything, but grow it out a little bit and curl it up. Like his hair do like grow in the middle. It's not like it's bald, and it's not like it's gonna be like a tornado where you got hair around it and then you see the scalp in between. Like it's not really that bad like people make it seem. Now I do think that, it is lightening up and maybe at some point it's gonna be too far to go back. But it's either that or his barber gotta kind of do a custom tailor-made cut, right? My boy, he said he talked about this. He's suggesting it. He's also a licensed barber, right, for over 20 years. But what he gotta do now is don't cut everything down the same level, but it could still look the same level. So when a barber say that, it's like you see, like, all right, look, right? Let me go back over here real quick. So over here now, over I don't even know if y'all can see the mouth, but the middle of the scalp now is light. You see the darker areas around it and everything like that. The trick now is to cut it at a longer length, and the dark spots you gotta kind of trim it down little by little until it starts to look the same, right? But that's my take on the whole situation. But let's see what the video's about actually. I hear he's about to call LeBron. First of all, I didn't even know him and LeBron was cool.
The person you're
I heard
trying to
that
reach.
him and LeBron got beef, so he talking about little bro. I feel like he just need a partner to fight the battle with him. LeBron been fighting this for years.
Little bro, call me back. We got some real shit to talk about. It's a cold red, my nigga. It's a cold red. They didn't call me
And
slipping.
LeBron finally out of the hairline.
I need to know turkey
and he
or no
getting pulled
turkey.
right back in.
And I ain't talking about no cheese sandwich.
He ain't talking about no cheese sandwich. If I was
It's some
LeBron,
real shit, bro.
well, LeBron didn't even answer.
Call your little bro back. Put all that other shit in the past.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? He balding and everybody around him got luxurious hair. This guy got dreads down to the toenails, and the other dude got like.
He gonna call me back.
Okay,
He ain't
I'm
calling
finna
you
crash
back.
out, bro.
LeBron
How
could
did
even
we
fix
get
his hair
here?
problem. So, like,
How did we get
I
here?
don't think he getting any answers from LeBron.
How did we get here?
Hey, yo,
Everybody
don't
got
start
long.
with
Everybody got long hair,
I didn't
but
hear
him.
what you said. I didn't hear what you said.
Chad, look at my roof. Look at my my hairline. Let me get my motherfucking
Bro,
glasses.
it's not even about the hairline; it's the roof.
Chad, nah, we gotta do
He wear
this. Come on.
glasses.
How did we get here?
Come on.
Chat booming.
I'm cutting this shit
The
off.
shifters is in the building.
Chad, we ain't going to Turkey. Start
Turkey and no turkey, chat.
start the poll in the chat. We streaming live from Turkey right now.
Yeah. He's streaming live from Turkey. Yo, he's not at Turkey level.
I don't
yet.
think he's there yet.
Sigs, pull up the Turkey flex right now, man.
But what is
Alright,
he
bet.
doing? Just lining up,
What
bro.
times they leave?
As a barber, this probably
Can I
very
get back before
frustrating.
the
He
game?
probably getting paid for the month, honestly. And I'm not even talking
It's
about
not at Turkey level,
a
though.
salary. I'm
Qatar
talking about
Airways.
one
Okay.
haircut from Jalen Brown,
We
probably
gotta plug in
his
Turkey.
whole pay for the
The
month.
headline.
We gotta
in
know
the
the
chat.
dates though.
But I find it
Tuesday?
kind of like you can't do
You got an off
your
day?
perfect cut like
How
that.
far is the flight?
He's cutting
You might
him
have
from
to miss some
behind.
games
Pause.
after that, though. I don't think you could just hoop right away.
No, you can't.
Fly them in.
You can't ever get a
Yeah,
good
fly
view
them
on the
in,
haircut.
big
You gotta look at the
Yeah,
camera.
fly
You can't
them
go in front of him.
Why would you gotta go there?
Come on.
Fly in the dark.
Look, he's reaching
home
over his
Turkey
shoulder to line him up.
Shifters, what we doing?
I know that barber
Chad, my
uncomfortable. He
hairline
got
is
to
cooked.
Shifters, what we doing? You had braids,
I
you
blame-
had the fly top, you had the
I blame Boston.
civil rights afro for a minute.
I blame Boston.
Not the whole
The
bean.
liberation
It's-
afro for a minute.
Well, Boston got
10
Boston
years of
took a-
stress.
He did, right?
The Frederick joint.
Frederick.
10 years
Jalen
of
Brown had an
stress.
afro.
The media, the championship. Y'all caused this.
Chill. You see? You see?
Gather the bottom. Gather the bottom. Hold them up.
Brush those ones off.
Yeah, don't
Yo.
See?
These is good. These is still good money.
those-
These are still
those-
live.
Look.
Those are still alive. I
You
kid
can
you
plant
not.
these
Honestly,
seeds.
if I was Jalen Brown, I'll
Right
go
back.
right back to this haircut
What
right
are your
here.
plants, gang?
Look, I'll go right back to this.
What are your plants?
Hey yo.
Yo,
This is y'all. This is the funniest I've ever seen y'all. Y'all going crazy.
what are your plants?
Honestly,
Get
did he
him
go
out.
to the
Go ahead.
afro or
Get
the
him out.
high top after the braids, or he just cut it all
Go ahead.
down?
We trying to
Go ahead, get him.
we trying to put them back on.
That if my hairline comes back
But your hairline is Gucci.
and
No,
my
your hairline's
follicle,
straight,
can I talk to the?
Yeah, the hairline Gucci.
It comes back, my follicles. They come back, and we win some games. I'll
All
start
right, I
passing
don't
the
think we
ball.
gotta see more of the video, but honestly, his
I'll
hair
start
is
making
not
him-
that bad. Like we know what bad looks like, man. He don't gotta go to Turkey. I don't think so. His hairline is still like
I mean-
crisp, still where it's supposed to be at.
No,
The top of the
Steve
head
is-
don't even look like
Yeah.
any parts is missing when you looking at it right now. Actually,
Cut that shit off.
it just is a little sparse. That's it. It's not right. It's just a little sparse, bro. But anyway,
I'ma hit
peace.
him with the hot sauce
What
right
is man
now.
talking about right now, bro?
Hey yo, I'm about to crash out, bro. This
Hot
is
sauce.
crazy.